Allison. I'm the Programs, Outreach, and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another Make It Monday. Today we are going to be making a very simple but fun project. We are going to make bubbles and bubble wands. This one's a little wet because I've been using it to play with my bubbles, but this is what we're going to make today. So for this project, you will need a couple of things. You will need 2 pipe cleaners. They can be different colors or the same color, whichever you like. You will need some different colored beads to decorate your bubble wand. And then for our bubbles, you will need a container that has some water in it and some dish soap. So only 4 things for today's project. So why don't you grab those materials and we'll go ahead and get started. So for this easy activity, we are just going to take our 2 pipe cleaners. You're going to decide which one you want to be your base and which one you want to be your shape. I'm going to have my yellow one be my base. You're going to take it for your base, you'll just fold it in half, and then you'll start twirling it around like this so that you have a nice thick handle. Just like that. So I just kind of twisted the 2 sides together to make a thicker handle. And then you're going to take whatever you want, whichever color pipe cleaner you want to be your top, and you're going to put it into the shape that you want. So I'm going to make mine into a heart, but you can make yours into any shape. You could just do a regular circle, you could do a flower. I've also seen online in places they take cookie cutters and you can mold your pipe cleaner around the shape of the cookie cutter to get some more elaborate shapes. So for a heart, I'm just gonna fold it so that it's in the shape of a heart. I'll twist these 2 top pieces together and then kind of mold it around a little bit to look more heart-like. This is where a cookie cutter might come in handy to get it to be more like whatever shape you're going for, but I'm gonna call that good enough. That looks enough like a heart. So then you'll take your base and you'll put it at the bottom of your shape and you'll just twist this top part down like that so that it folds around like so. I'll do that one more time just so that you can see. You'll put your base so that a little bit is sticking over the edge, and then you'll wrap that edge down and around to secure your base to your shape on the top. So that's our wand. And now to decorate it, we can just take some of our beads and we'll add those to the base. And you can add as many or as few beads as you want. You can do color patterns, whatever you like to do, but you'll just take your beads and thread them on to the bottom of your wand, like so. Now that I have my base decorated the way I want, I've left a little space at the bottom of the base, and I'm just going to loop that around and twist it off to form a little circle to help my beads stay on. After you're done creating your wand, we're going to create our bubble mixture. So it's not really that hard to create a bubble mixture. I just have a container of water and some Dawn dish soap, and you can just pour a little bit of the soap in. You can mix that together. You can use your wand to mix it, finger, spoon, whatever you want. And then you will take your wand and dip it in to get some of the soap. And I don't know if you'll be able to see on the video, but you will see a film develop. So a nice shiny film that kind of has, weird colors moving around in it. And then you'll take your wand and blow. And hopefully you'll create a bubble. So my bubbles aren't exactly coming off my wand, but you can see them starting to form. And it might be that I need to make my wand a little bit smaller add some more soap to my mixture. You can play around with it. That's part of the science behind making your bubbles. You can see if the shape that you create changes it. Maybe you want to use something different as your top. You could use some wire, some other material, see if that changes it. Add more soap, add less soap. It's all up to you. You can try taking it and moving it around to see the bubble. When I shake it like this, I can see the bubble form. Even just holding it like that, I could see the wind starting to form a little bit of a bubble. So there's all different types of things you can do to experiment with the bubbles and have some fun out in the sun with this easy to make bubble wand. So I hope that you all had fun today creating your bubble wands. I hope that you have fun this summer playing outside, maybe making some bubble art. If you did this project, we would love to see what your bubble wand looks like. So send us a picture on Facebook or tag us on Instagram at @e_MCFL. We'd love to hear what worked best for you, what kinds of materials you used, and how your bubbles turned out. Thank you for joining me, everybody. I hope you had a great time. I hope you have a lovely week, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.